Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm again with a new recipe. Today I'm gonna share a recipe of Chandan Kath Pithe, which requires only 4 ingredients and you can prepare a yummy pitha. But before that, like, share and subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell to get all the notifications. I have taken half cup of Gobindovog rice. This rice is a short grain, white, aromatic and sticky, having a sweet buttery flavor. I'm grinding it on batan, that is the grinding stones. You can also grind into any grinder for 1 to 2 pulse. We need the rice to be coarsely grounded, don't make fine powder. Now transfer it into a bowl and keep it aside. Then I have taken 1.5 liter of milk, which I have already reduced to 1 liter. Then the third ingredient we need is coconut. I have already grated 1 whole coconut. Now we will mix grated coconut and grounded rice into milk. After that, switch on the flame. Keeping at medium flame at first, start stirring. Stir continuously and don't pause or you will end up regretting. The mixture after 7 to 8 minutes will thicken a bit. You can clearly see the consistency in the video. So this is the time when we will add sweetener. I have used both sugar and jaggery as I didn't have enough jaggery, but you can mix both or use either of them. We prefer jaggery because it gives a nice brown color and elevate the taste too. But whatever it is, don't even think about any pause. If you can't handle alone and feeling your hand numb, call anyone to help. But if you are alone and nobody around, call your neighbors. They will surely love to help cause the greed would make them. After 15 to 20 minutes, the mixture will leave the sides. Now also you can't stop or you will end up with having halwa. But as we need barfis, we have to cook more until it holds its shape. By the way, don't worry about the time, it's worth it. While stirring, don't forget about the sides. Scrape the sides well. Once it starts holding its shape like a sticky dough, you can switch off the flame and transfer immediately into a greased tray or mold. Grease the tray with ghee, don't use oil or butter. Now if you have a heat resistant hand, dip your hand into cold water and use hand or using a silicone spatula level the top. You can also use hand by greasing with ghee. Now let it cool down completely. When it sets after 2 or 3 hours, cut into desired shapes. And to elevate its look, you can also use raisins or chopped nuts or saffron. Now serve your friends and family. Enjoy making this wonderful recipe and comment down your feedback below. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.